Alright, y'all, we made it back to Maui and we're just checked into our spot for the next couple of days, so let's go check it out. Alright, of course it has to be Unit G from Mr. and Mrs. G, celebrating our 10-year anniversary. Let's go check it out. Alright, we got the outdoor area. Chill. Aloha. Alright. Yep, it's gonna be our happy space for the next couple days. Alright, let's go. Alright, our home away from home for the next couple days. Let's give you the tour. Alright, we walk into the kitchen here area, living room area, dining room area. Alright, looks like we're gonna have room to the left and room to the right, and we'll check those out in just a moment. Let's do the living room tour first. Alright, here we go. So, super chill, super nice. There we go. That's what we came for. Alright, nice little living area. Super comfortable couches. We rented out the whole unit for ourselves, so it's gonna be pretty awesome. Let's go check out the kitchen. Here we go. Nice little kitchen. Everything seems to be updated just fine. Awesome fridge. Full-size fridge. Awesome. And everything seems to be pretty clean. Appliances up to date. We're actually staying at the Kainapali Royale, and it is an owner condominium, and we got ours through VRBO, so that's how we were able to get this spot here. And I think we got a decent deal considering everything in Maui right now. It's insanely expensive. So let's go check out the first room to the right from the door when we came in. It's got a nice little bed here. Let's see if the lights are working. Well, that's the best lighting we're gonna have right now, folks, but otherwise super chill. Bed's gorgeous. Alright. bathroom here. And then, what's this here? Oh, nice. It's an extra little like bed. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty sweet. Let's go check out the next room. It's got the closet here. Actually, the bathroom. I'll give you a little bit better view of the bathroom. It's pretty nice. A little closet right there. Let's go check out the next bedroom. Wow. I love the openness. Big windows. Little chill spot right here. Come down a couple steps into another bedroom. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Nice and clean again. The decor is decent. I like how this leads into the wraparound patio outside. So that's pretty chill. We'll go out there in just a sec. And then we go to the next bathroom. So it's a little dark. Let's see. There we go. Cool. Looks dope. Looks dope. All right, let's finish up the tour. Let's go check out the outside. All right, awesome patio. Again, wrap around. It goes to the other bedroom here. This is gonna be awesome in the evening. Just let some of that breeze in. Alright, looks like we got a barbecue here. Propane all set up, ready to go. Nice little chill swing chair right there. And then out to the property. You can see the pool in the back over there. But otherwise, it's freaking awesome. So there you go. That is the tour of our Maui beach condo, celebrating our 10-year anniversary with my amazing wife. She's out by the pool right now checking out that situation, but otherwise stay tuned. We're gonna have fun and keep you updated on our activities. All right. Hi everyone, welcome to Christian and Tara's YouTube channel. I'm
Welcome.
Christian, this is Tara. And honey, where are we right now?
We're in Maui,
We're in
Hawaii.
Maui, celebrating our 10-year anniversary.
Yes, we are.
I love you so much.
Love you.
We are truly blessed to be able to
Aw.
have this time together. And we invite you guys on our journey so that we can show you our adventures.
We decided to create this channel so that we can document our past times and share with you our future times. So come along this journey with us, and if you like what you see already, just follow along. And we love to travel. We are very heavy with our families. So we actually have our family here. My father's here, my in-laws are here. Where should we put them?
So, we said here, ready? 1, 2,
Again?
3. Yeah, so we are traveling with our families, like Tara said, and it's gonna be great. We're truly blessed. But stay tuned. We have plenty more adventures to come, and we will be documenting our story. So tag along with us. Enjoy. We'll see you
Bye.
soon. Bye. All right. We made it to the beach. A little bit overcast today, but that's perfect because we do not want to get sunburned. So we're here to have a good time. Enjoy this weather. It was sprinkling for a little bit actually, but apparently it's not uncommon here in Maui for it to just rain and then just stop. But that's not stopping everybody else from enjoying the beach. Good time. Oh, look who I found. My wifey. Say hi, honey. We made it to the beach. I love you. Let's go. Let's go have some fun. And then sitting over there is my auntie, hanging out, enjoying Hawaii. I think we'll do the same. We'll go for a swim and take it from there. There's a nice little restaurant here. Actually, this is where we stayed at last year, Kainapali Villas. We're in Kainapali Royale today, or this week. So, let's go.